Carrots have long been regarded as a superfood by some, while others believe that eating them would improve one's night vision. What's the truth? In addition to these, what more advantages may carrots provide? The carrot may have been initially grown in Afghanistan thousands of years ago. Our modern carrot is a far cry from the ancient forked purple or yellow root with a woody taste. Carrots were grown in a variety of colors including purple, red, yellow and white before the orange variety became popular. In the 16th century, Dutch gardeners may have created this variety. If you're looking to get the most out of your carrots, I've rounded together 6 of the most important health advantages carrots have to offer. Before that, if you are enjoying this video, please don't forget to like and share. Please support us through subscribing this channel. Number 1. Enhances vision. Do you or your kid have trouble seeing? To the rescue, the carrots. As a traditional cure for improving vision, carrots have long been seen as a safe bet. The antioxidants lutein and lycopene, which carrots contain in high concentrations, aid in the maintenance of healthy vision, particularly at night. Having a good supply of vitamin A also improves one's vision. Number 2. Improves cardiovascular health by reducing cholesterol levels. For heart health, carrots have a high fiber content, which helps remove cholesterol from arterial and blood vessel walls. Carrots contain a type of calcium readily digested by the body that may help decrease unhealthy LDL cholesterol levels, according to the DK Publishing book Healing Foods. Number 3. Improving the body's resistance to infection. Vitamins B6 and K, potassium, phosphorus, and other nutrients included in carrots contribute to bone health, a stronger nerve system, and an improved cognitive function. Antioxidants assist the body fight free radical damage, while also protecting it from dangerous germs, viruses, and inflammation. Number 4. Reduces hypertension. Carrots are a great source of potassium, which helps decrease harmful cholesterol levels. Increased blood flow and a lower blood pressure may be achieved by taking in potassium, which relaxes the muscles in your cardiovascular system. Atherosclerosis, strokes, and heart attacks are all connected to high blood pressure. So eat a lot of carrots to improve your heart health. Number 5. Helps you lose weight. Carrots, which contain both soluble and insoluble fiber, are an excellent addition to a weight reduction diet because of their high fiber content. When you eat a diet high in fiber, your stomach feels fuller for longer, making it less likely that you'll overeat. Number 6. Improves the health of the skin. In addition, the juicy red marbles may aid in giving your skin a healthy shine. The root's high silicon concentration, in addition to beta-carotene, lutein, and lycopene, may help support healthy skin and nails. To get the most nutrients out of it, eat it uncooked. I wish you liked my video. If yes, please don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out any upcoming videos.